days, more and more people are turning to urban agriculture and gardening as a reasonable option to increase their access to healthy, nutritious, and low-cost food. Community gardens can improve the visual look of a neighborhood and can increase activity levels, provide fresh produce, and nurture social interactions and cooperation among people. Some of these community gardens were previously home to industrial and commercial operations, which is a root cause for possible contamination in these gardens.
Chemical contaminants such as mercury and PCB originate from the point sources like stationary locations or fixed facilities. There are also pollutants that are discharged from things like pipes and ditches. Another problem is agricultural runoff, containing pesticide and nutrients that originate from non-point sources. Urban surfaces can massively contaminate surfaces and groundwaters. They can accumulate high concentrations of contaminants such as oils and household waste that run off during heavy rainfall.
These contaminants can affect human health by the following exposure routes. Humans can be eating soil, which adheres to fruits and vegetables. We can also breathe volatiles and dust, and we can also absorb contaminants through skin and by eating fruits and vegetables that have already been contaminated by these harmful contaminants. The following are strategies for reducing risk of exposure to soil contaminants while maximizing the benefits that the public will get from these community gardens. The municipal government should actually advise the public to wear gloves before and after working in the garden, and to wash produce with a mild detergent to remove dirt and dust. There should be more awareness on what kind of crops to grow, because most of the times root crops such as carrot, potatoes, beets, and onions are in direct contact with the soil, and therefore avoiding planting these in riskier sites. Another step could be also peeling can reduce some of the risks posed by these root crops. The public should also be encouraged to grow fruit-bearing crops like tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, and peas because they have a lower contaminant concentration. The government should actually intervene to try to install raised beds with imported healthy soil that will allow drainage and also seal the bottom of the bed so that the roots do not penetrate contaminated soil. Amending the soil with good quality compost can actually help lower the risk of some contaminants and improve overall soil fertility and physical properties. The soil can be decontaminated by physical methods such as excavation, washing, vapor extraction, or also by biochemical methods such as microbial degradation and phytoremediation techniques.
All of this is important when considering starting your own community garden. Vancouver currently has a guide in their website which provides all of the information needed to start one. Unfortunately, many of the links provided in the guide are currently not working. Therefore, the municipal government should update these links so that the people do not miss key facts.
For the policy recommendations, we would like the City of Vancouver to ask all growers to follow the protocols to mitigate risks from contaminated urban soil. The first policy should be to always conduct a site history and test soil for contaminants, and also to test annually for nutrients. To also provide guidance and resources for urban gardeners in submitting soil samples for testing, building raised beds and other out-of-ground growing structures, and importing safe, healthy, and affordable soil. And to support the digitization of resources used to conduct site histories and better management of risk on their website.